You're the pumpkin king. Why are you like straying away from the pumpkin? Show it some love. You're its king.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, sealing your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies.
Guys, it's Blaze. So I'm super stoked to be making this video. Almost a week and a half ago, I received some PR from Juno Co, one of my favorite companies to work with. Usually I have the code Kaylee to get 10% off your purchase, but I put in with the PR people to try to change it to BLAIZE as my discount code, because I don't know who Kaylee is and I don't want her stealing my thunder anymore, and I'm getting sick of it. Anyway, so Juno is really stepping up their game. They are still very affordable, but they're coming out with some more pricey items such as this. I know we are a budget beauty and budget living channel. We try to go for like cheap beauty products, but that are really, really good. We usually don't do high end. I'm wearing Violet Voss on my eyes and Jeffree Star's Celebrity Skin on my lips. Thank you to my friend Brittany. But we're still repping like Shot Miss A and all my cheap drugstore brands on my face as well. But the reason I waited this long to do this video is because I really wanted to give it a really honest review, especially because it is pricey. So it comes in this box, which is just so my aesthetic. It's like a little old TV, and it just looks like the 60s. It just looks really, really freaking cool. I really, really like this, and it's made really well, and I really want to use this for something. I don't know if I could put this on display. I'd like to display it, but I don't know where in my room I could even fit to display this. But if you guys have any ideas, let me know. It says on the back, a cult for makeup lovers, and then their site on the back. This is really, really awesome packaging. So this is really bougie stuff. I was not expecting this when Juno sent this to me, for it to be as bougie as it is. So this is what I'm reviewing. It is the Juno Co Moonshine Miracle Cream. So it comes like this. Then you open it up. Yes, I've been doing this every single day. Be born into the world. So this is the Juno Co Moonshine Miracle Cream. This packaging is so bougie. It is sparkly and glittery. I don't know if you guys can see in this light. So well made, so nice. This cream retails for $35, but if you do use, since I'm going to be hearing back from them soon, I will put what my code is in this video before I post it. If you do use my code, you get 10% off. Now, I have used this for a week and 2 days. So this comes like that. It comes with a plastic top. I've mainly just used what was on the top, and then I used some of what's in there. You get a really good amount. It has 0 fragrance. Really, really nice. So let me read to you a little bit about this little girl right here. Okay, so I'm reading directly from the site. Hi, would you mind not doing that? That would be great. Why are you doing that? Okay. I'm just gonna have to read it like this. Meet Juno Moonshine, a miracle cream made to hydrate and prime the skin to perfection. Wear under makeup to create the perfect canvas, or wear alone to moisturize for naturally glowy, dewy skin. Since I have oily skin, I've been mainly using it for primer, blurs fine lines, minimizes pores, and moisturizes. 2 main ingredients to help plump and reduce skin imperfections: avocado oil and hyaluronic acid. Really good stuff for your face. It comes with 1.25 fluid ounces. Then they have like commonly asked questions like, what does it smell like? Doesn't have smell. It doesn't. Is it good for oily combination skin? Is it safe for sensitive skin? Yes, we tested the product on every type of skin. 60% of oily skin, #JunoBabes, claim they didn't feel greasy after putting it on, and 90% of dry skin JunoBabes like the moisturizing effects from the avocado oil and hyaluronic acid. Like I said, I have oily skin, and this does not, I usually don't moisturize my face because I also am extremely acne prone. I break out very, very easily, and I have very sensitive skin and very oily skin. This, I've been using it to moisturize and prime, and it's not greasy or oily whatsoever. It did not make my skin more irritated or more oily. I absolutely love this, and oh yes. If you have dry skin, definitely a good combo with your current moisturizing serum. If you have oily skin, we would skip that step and go straight to this as primer. And that's pretty much what I've been doing. I used it as moisturizer, I think 2 or 3 times before I went to sleep, but mainly I've been wearing it under my makeup for the whole week, and it is insanely amazing. I don't know. Let's see, is there anything else that I'm forgetting? It is vegan and cruelty-free. It depends on your skin, but most people say they get a dewy finish, but not too much. So that is just some of the things about this beautiful, beautiful girl right here. Since I am such an advocate for affordable beauty products and affordable living and not having to spend nearly as much as you need to for people who are on a budget, such as myself, I am on an extreme budget and I understand why some people would turn away from this and be like $35 for a cream. But then again, I see a lot of YouTubers and a lot of people in my life who use $300 creams on their faces and bodies and whatnot. So yeah, would I recommend this for $35? Yes, for a few reasons. One, it has worked on my skin, and like I said, no lotions or moisturizers or creams have ever worked on my face. They've always broken me out. They've always made my oily skin just more prominent, and it was just gross. I did not like the way it felt on my face. Also, the holidays are coming up. So if you know somebody in your life who likes makeup and likes beauty products and is really interested in skincare, stuff like that, definitely $35 for their gift. Plus, when you use my code, you get 10% off. I mean, for a Christmas gift or a holiday gift, this would be a really, really good idea. Plus the packaging, this wasn't just PR packaging. This is the way it comes for you guys. So you get this as well, and it's just so nice and so great. And if I had the money, I would definitely pick this up. I'm not just saying that because I'm an affiliate with Juno Co. I don't make any commission from them, so it's not like I'm making money from this. I'm definitely going to still be using this every single day, and maybe in like a month or so in a video I will follow up and let you know how everything is. But my skin is doing so well with this, and I can't tell you how important that is and how insane that is, because like I said, I was very hesitant when they sent this to me because moisturizers just don't do well on my oily, sensitive skin. This 100% does. I really can't say enough really good things about this product. I love the packaging, I love the product itself, and it's really just awesome. So that's it for this review and this video. If you guys have any more questions, please leave them down below. I will try to answer them for you. Again, don't forget to use this code somewhere on the screen right here for 10% off your first purchase. So if you want to go ahead and either get this for yourself or as a holiday gift, make sure to use my code to get some money off. I'm also going to be reviewing lots more Juno products here in the very short, near future. So thank you again to Juno for sending me this so I can make this video for you guys. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys want more Juno videos and more review videos, give this video a big ol' thumbs up to let me know. Don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blazer and a part of the Blaze Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. Okay, I will talk to you guys very, very soon. And until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.
This is Halloween.